planning international travel, the Bay County Clerk's Office can help you apply for a U.S. passport quickly and easily. The Bay County Clerk of Court is an official acceptance agency for passport applications on behalf of the U.S. Department of State. To get started, visit baycoclerk.com or travel.state.gov for passport requirements, application forms, and additional passport information. Appointments are preferred and can be scheduled contacting the clerk's office at 850-747-5100. You must apply in person if you're a first-time applicant, if you are under the age of 16 or renewing a minor passport, if your passport was issued more than 15 years ago, or if your passport has been lost or stolen. When you arrive, you'll need your completed passport application, proof of citizenship, government-issued photo identification, payment, and passport photo. Passport applications are submitted to the U.S. Department of State and required fees must be paid separately. Current passport application fees paid to the U.S. Department of State include the following: adult passport book, $130, adult passport card, $30, minor passport book, $100, minor passport card, $15. And processing fee for each of these passports is $35. These fees must be paid by check or money order payable to the U.S. Department of State. The clerk's office accepts cash, cards, money orders, cashier's checks, and business checks for these services. Personal checks are not accepted. For your convenience, passport photos are available on-site for only $15. If you need your passport sooner, expedited processing is available for an additional $60 fee, and optional 1 to 3 day return shipping is also available for $12.90. Because passport fees and processing times may change, we recommend checking the website before your appointment. For additional information, required documents, and to schedule an appointment, visit baycoclerk.com. We look forward to assisting you with your passport application.